Hello, Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. I welcome you all to my brand new video of your favorite expedition with Nature Boy. And this is, of course, a waterfall video, as you all know.
You very well know that waterfall is the nature's mystical poem, and in the hustle and bustle of city and in this COVID pandemic time, if one gets an opportunity to go out and explore the parts of nature, of course by obeying the COVID pandemic rules, then one is lucky enough, right? So life becomes boring and monotonous since everything has opened in the unlock phase also. So to get out of this boring life and add a little adventure by going to laps of Mother Nature, I feel really lucky. But if I don't share it with you all people, then I would be a little selfish. So I love to share my experiences with you, and this is also same kind of a video, but of course not the same. This is also the same thing which is happening. We all are adapting to this COVID pandemic.
On 31st of August of 2020, I went on to a trip to Badalgiri and Sundargarh waterfall. The waterfall is located in the midst of dense forest of Bamra-Gangpur forest in Sundargarh District. The trip was from Bhubaneswar to Badalgiri via bonei block.
road was very steep and the ghat present is a third phase dangerous part. I felt as if I was climbing down nearly 100 rocky decon stairs. The path was very slippery and reaching the spot was a Herculean task. So I request all my viewers to be very careful while traveling this path. I was wearing a combat boot and by taking support from plants and their roots, I reached the water. So the path was difficult, but it was worth all the difficulties because I am a cataphoile and a waterfall lover, and I was very exhilarated seeing the waterfall. But unluckily, the spot is dangerous and prone to accident. Hence, it has been declared as a restricted spot by the government of Odisha itself. But I was lucky enough to visit. So, I felt like sharing this video to you all people because the waterfall has been closed recently. So, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video to all of your friends and relatives so that they can enjoy the beautiful waterfall. And my request to all the viewers, please be very cautious and careful while visiting the waterfall and do not pollute the areas to save environment, save lives and thank you for watching this video. Namaskar, Jai Hind.